In the past weeks, there have been videos on YouTube about like a GoPro stock thing going on. Now, the first thing towards it being with their sleek, usable design, but sometimes it can pose a problem because I know from my uncle, he said that he tried setting up like, it's not a GoPro, but it's like an Insta360 1R or similar to that. That basically when he tried to set it up, even though it's easy to us, it's pretty hard for him because then he has to go through that Bluetooth process, you know? Like, if you're a Gen Z like me right here, then you probably already know, like, we can just get a train and push it through. But for, like, these, boomers, I don't know. But for those type of gens, they are saying that GoPro is a little bit unforgiving because their usability in design is not so well on their hand because they have to like go through this process slowly and they usually like to read it a whole lot more. So it's like a 50-50. Let me know what your thoughts on that is in the comments down below. 2. GoPro's pricing. GoPro's pricing could be over or under. This reason is because GoPro is trying to overextend their business like their redesign recently on the GoPro app. Another thing that's unforgiving with GoPro is that because even though that they change their prices constantly to make it affordable, is that every time they might be appearing as the GoPro Hero 10 is coming out this October, which we don't really know, so it's unofficial, but it should be something like the Hero 10. But every time that they make a new GoPro, there's like not really that much of change. It's more of product features like GoPro Hypersmooth, which is like a stabilization feature. Another one really is GoPro Hindsight that not that many people use, but I still covered it. And also is just because there's the GoPro Highlights feature. I don't know who uses it, but I would use it more often if I would have had known about it like much more quicker. But yeah, every time they put a new product, it's not like a game changer. It's more like a product feature changer because like it's just a new product with new software capabilities. It's like that M1 microchip that Apple has. If you don't know, Apple or Android, they use those microchips and then they just implement it in there and like in the product and then they just make it expensive. Yeah, it's a big issue within the tech world. But I'm Reagan from ReaganVFilms Tech. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think makes you actually think that GoPro is unforgiving, or what could be better if you disagree with all of this on what's actually making it like forgiveful? I don't know. But check out these videos on my left and the right because they're going to help you a whole lot more with GoPro, and we're almost there to May. Actually, never mind. I'm actually recording this in April. You're viewing this in June. So happy summer. And also, get outdoors. We've been inside for too long. Yeah. Shaka and mahalo. I'll see you on the next adventure.